Located on the driver's side underneath the panel in the back of the vehicle is the battery pull-out tray. Lift up this white tab. You want to pull out the battery. Also, what you need to do first to power anything in the clinic is make sure that this switch here is in the on position, like so. If you are on your way to a location to use the clinic and you wish to start the cooling process and supply power to the refrigerator, first turn on the vehicle ignition, then navigate to above the rear end of the driver's seat and turn on the power inverter. Next, once that's green, what you would do is navigate over to the refrigerator switch and turn that on. Once you have arrived at your location, turn off the switch and the power inverter, and then power off the vehicle. Now that the ignition is off, to power the clinic, what you would do is hold down the prime button on the generator located here for about 10 seconds, or once this light is turned on, and then hold down the start button. Once the light is solid and it stops blinking and you hear the generator power up, that's how you know the generator is on. After powering the generator, navigate back down to the inverter switch and power that on. Once it is green, that's how you know that your vehicle has power. Also, navigated above the generator is the overhead AC. To power this on, first click the power button once and then once more, and then you could use the rooftop AC system. To power the overhead ventilation, twist this knob to either 1, 2, or 3, depending on the level of power you want to use. And you can see that powers the fan. Now to open up the top hatch, go over to this knob here and twist. Twist counterclockwise to open it, and then twist clockwise to close it again. To power off the fan, bring it back down to 0. Located just outside the driver's door, near the floor of the bus, is the Sure power cord hookup. Stick the power cord in here and turn it about 25 degrees, and then plug the other end into your power. To operate the wheelchair lift, first what you would do, go to the bottom left, push down on the parking brake. Now you should see the brake sign on the driver's view. And then make sure the lift button right here is powered. Once those steps are complete, navigate to the bottom left corner and ensure that the switch is in the on position. You know that the wheelchair lift is ready to go when you see that the LED lights on the corner are on. And now from here, all you need to do is grab this remote, then hold down the unload key, the unfold key to unfold the lift. Once it has come to a stop, hold the down key on the switch until the wheelchair lift has made contact with the ground and the front panel springs out. Like so. Now to retract the lift, what you would do is the reverse of the process you just did. So hold the up Once the lift has come to a stop, now you hold the fold switch. Once again, once the lift has come to a stop, you are now complete. There isn't any harm in leaving the lift power switch over here on, so I would normally just leave that on and close the doors. And that is how you operate the wheelchair lift.